Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2018 Mazda AXELA Smart Key.
Add a smart key to this car. What we need to be prepared for is K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new smart key. First, plug in OBD communication cable. Select IMO and remote. Find Mazda, China, AXELA. After 2018, program smart key. Add smart key. Turn on the ignition. Click OK. Current number of keys 2 OK. The ignition switch is turned on. Click OK. Wait for 7 minutes until the horn blows. Hold the logo of end of the smart key closer to start button. Step down the brake. Click OK. Within 10s, put the smart keys logo side close to car start button. Number of keys program 2. OK. Program successful. No need to click cancel. Follow the prompts to complete the following operations. The original car key. New smart key. Click OK. Program complete. Now, let's try it. Can the key drive normally? The original car key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key. Successfully. The second key. Step on the brake, press the start button. The second key. Successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control works. The first key. Lock the car and unlock. The second key. Lock the car and unlock the remote control normally.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2018 Mazda AXELA. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.